There's a phenomenon going on in our field, and I call it the just grow some syndrome. It sounds really good and it feels really good at the end of the year when little Davon grew 2 points from where he was when we started. But you and I both know we wouldn't want that for our own kids. Just grow some syndrome is a dressed up, G-Natade, aqua velva sprayed form of low expectations. That's charity work. That's the kind of work where you feel like you're doing the kids a favor. Advocacy work is this. When you have that student who might be a year behind, you meet that student where he is and then you keep your eye on where that student has to go. When you place your gaze firmly to and through the bar, grade level or better, that will help pace your intervention from where he is to where he has to go. When you never have your eye on that, which is advocacy, and you're down here just hoping for a little bit of growth by the end of the year, he grew some, though. Ain't that sweet? Bless his heart. That is the lowest form of expectations because it's couched in love. But when you act like you care about me and you build relationships with me and then you hit me with the just grow some syndrome, you do more harm than good. And you're gonna help populate the world with another generation of victims, something which this country rails against.